Okay, thank you. Welcome to Excel Logic Pro, where you will learn different functions and formulas. Today I will teach you how to start Excel or how to open Excel. Before I show you the procedure on how to start Excel, first you have to know what is Excel. Excel is an example of spreadsheet programs that will maintain records for you relating the financials, finances, student marks, activities, events and services. It allows you to enter, organize and compare and print data including graphs. So Excel is an example of a spreadsheet. As you know, spreadsheet contain different rows in the columns. So Excel is an example. Because it's an example, you can enter student marks, or you can enter financial records, as well as you can do different calculations, either calculating students' total marks, student average. You can find also ranks or position of the student. You can find the GPA, student GPA, subject GPA, and so on. So also you can compare data by using graphs or by using other organizations. Okay. Now how to start Excel now. There are numerous ways to start Excel application. From start button on the taskbar, use shortcut on desktop if available. Okay, so you can use start button in your keyboard to start Excel. After clicking start button, from the start button menu, click all programs. From the displayed program menu, select the Microsoft Office option. After that, click on the Microsoft Excel to open. So this one is a first step. So click this menu. For example, this one is for Windows 7. Also there is the start button for Windows 10. So you click in this window button or start button. This is step number 1. After clicking this one, all programs manually appears. Then click on all program. After that, go to step number 3. Click on Microsoft Office. Then Microsoft Office menu will appear, which including Microsoft Access, Microsoft Word, and so on. So select Microsoft Office Excel. Select Microsoft Office Excel. After that, you have done with starting Excel. For example, after opening Excel, the sheet will appear like this one. For example, when you click in a cell, either you want to write or to enter something, there is a rectangular box which will appear, which represent active cell. This means active cell. And when we click in a given or in a certain cell, there is an address which will appear. This is the address bar. This is what we call cell address. So is the address of this cell or this active cell. This is the active cell, the cell which is in use. and this one is what we call cell address. And the formula, when you want to write a formula appear in this bar, and this is what we call formula bar. The formula will appear in this bar. So these numbers are what we call row heading. This represents the number of row, where this one, the letters represent the row or the column heading, which are represented by letter. For example, when you click on this one, means you select the whole column, and when you select in this number, it means you select the whole row. Okay. After that, let me show you how to start Excel. The first procedure is to click in this start button. Click here. After clicking, select all program. In Microsoft, in Windows 7, you select all program, but in Windows 10, you select all apps. After all apps, then select Microsoft Office. Go and select Microsoft Office. Find Microsoft Office, this one, Microsoft Office. After select Microsoft Office 2010, this one. So you have done with starting the Excel. So this is how you can open or you can start Excel. When you click in this one, this means active cell. Active cell is a cell which is in use. For example, I can write something, so this is what we call active cell, but this is the cell address. The cell address means the name of this cell. So this one is column number G, is column G. What is this one? And is column number 9, which is this one. So the cell address are named by column, letter, and row number. So when you select in this number, it means you select the whole row, and when you select the above this letter, you select the whole column. So this is Excel. So this one this one is scroll bar, horizontal scroll bar. For example, you have written, different details, and you have written different details. So you can use this one to drag so as to see the hidden information. But also you can use this one, which is vertical bar, this one, so as to see the hidden data either upward or downward. And this one is a formula bar. So when you write a certain formula is shown in this one, which is formula bar. For example, VLOOKUP. will be shown in this bar, which is formula bar, where this one is a address of the cell or cell address. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe in order to get more important videos. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.